Welcome to the course on horizontal, extended reach, geosteering and multilateral drilling. This course will explore advanced drilling techniques through online recordings. Prepare to delve into the intricacies of these methods and their applications in modern drilling operations. Throughout this course, you will see me as an image talking through each slide and traveling with you on this journey. I hope you find this a valuable experience. Welcome to the course. This program is structured into modules, each presented as 10 to 20 minute videos. Sub-modules ensure a manageable pace. There will be a quiz at the end of each module or sub-module. Okay, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Martin Sanderson and I am a NEXT trainer with SLB. I joined SLB as a graduate engineer and furthered my studies to obtain a Master's in Energy Economics and Finance. I have over 30 years of oil field experience, starting my career in the North Sea as an MWD and LWD engineer. From there, I trained in wellbore stability, performance improvement, and finally directional drilling before moving on shore as a drilling engineer. My management experience started as a project manager before receiving an international assignment in West Africa, including Equatorial Guinea, Ivory Coast, and Cameroon. Then I moved to Dubai as the operations support for the Middle East and Asia with responsibility for QHSE, maintenance and assets. Moving to Asia, I took over the role of operations manager in Indonesia, then back to the UK as supply chain manager for the North Sea. From there, I took another international assignment as technical manager in Oman. My final posting was as the IPM performance manager across the Middle East and Asia region. I hope I will be able to show this blend of field experience and global operational management has enabled me to build a detailed knowledge of horizontal drilling, ERD, geosteering and multilateral drilling, and I hope I will be able to pass this knowledge to you. The course contents show the different modules that we will cover. Module 1 covers applications, objectives and limitations in directional drilling. This will introduce the key well types, deflection tools and survey tools. Module 2 covers direction terminology and will cover some calculations that are required. Module 3 will look at the different coordinate systems and geodetics. How do we make sense of the different referencing systems and datums around the world? Module 4 will look at the different tools we can use to change direction, including whipstocks, motors, and rotary steerables. Module 5 will cover the different survey tools and technologies. We will look at the different types of inclination-only magnetic and gyro tools and understand their strength and weaknesses. Module 6 will explain the principles of anti-collision. We will look at the process of anti-collision monitoring and what methods we follow when identifying well proximity risk. Module 7 will revisit surveying, but will include basic drilling engineer calculations. Module 8 will look at log interpretation, MWD and LWD tool technologies, and will end on mud logging. Module 9 will look at the different rotary bottom hole assemblies. We will understand what causes a BHA to build, drop, or hold. Continuing on, Module 10 will cover positive displacement motors at a component level and how the tool is operated. Module 11 will look into rotary steerable and its principles. We will explain the different steering mechanisms and their applications. Module 12 focuses on well path design and good practices. Module 13 will look at drill string design, where we will look into pipe strength and fatigue. Module 14 focuses on torque and drag and how these affect the drilling and good practices that should be incorporated into well design. Module 15 then goes into hole cleaning practices for different well trajectories. What are the drivers to good hole cleaning and when are we most at risk? In Module 16 we look at other technologies with an introduction to geosteering. Module 17 gives an introduction to extended reach drilling, and finally, Module 18 gives an introduction to multilateral wells and configurations. This ends the introduction of the course. Now let's move on to Module 1, which is applications, objectives and limitations.